Sipping style with CocoSmile. Take a sip until the last drop.
Okay, so this is the manufacturer plant. This is where all the pieces come together. They bring up each individual piece.
Sip, sip with a smile. Coco makes it
From up here, there are 20 machines producing each piece at the cup.
Feels so right. CocoSmile, stay in
Right here, the Triton plastic goes into the machine. It produces it and then it drops it on the assembly line as it goes down to the stuff to be put together.
Laugh and dance with every sip. CocoSmile, let's experience.
There was another part, another plastic, another lid. Produce little pink lid over there, and it's all fully automated. 20 machines making different pieces to produce the cup in the end. Well, this is the materials here, different colors, different things for materials, and they're making the plastic lids, plastic pieces for the cup.
Sip, sip with a smile. Coco makes it worthwhile.
This is where the quality inspection, when the parts come off of the manufacturer production, they check it here, all the quality. They look at it here, they check every little piece. Clean, it's good to go. When it's good, they pack it, put it inside the box. Check it perfect. This is the new summer style cups here. They check the quality, perfect, ready to go. TC cuts it from when they produce it.
Sipping style with CocoSmile. Take a sip until the last drop.
In here, this is the injection mold. So after they make the lid, this injection mold in the next room we're gonna go. That's how it makes the base of the cup.
Sip, sip with a smile. Coco makes it worthwhile.
Oh, maybe they don't know.
Every drop.
This is where they produce the molds. This is where the injection molds, they produce them, and they make this style of cup, like this. So those molds create the cylinder. Perfect. Smell? Smells like brand new.
Laugh and dance with every sip. CocoSmile, let's spirits lift.
This over here is more injection mold for the different style of cup. You have the different ones. You have the carrot cup bottom, different styles. These different machines produce different parts to here. This is the blank. This is ready to be painted with the CocoSmile logo.
CocoSmiles never stop.
And right here, this is where they made the CocoSmile screen that they put on the cup. They changed the color to green.
Laugh and dance with every sip. CocoSmile, let's spirits lift.
Next way. This is where all your cups are ready for production. They're ready to go. They really put the cups together now. This is all their backstop. And once all the pieces are created with the machines, they inspect them all and they put them all together, and they put all the cup pieces together just like this. It's ready, perfect. It's ready. Perfect. And then they attach, actually right here, attach this at the finish lid for the summer cup. Like that. Over here is where he makes the little lid pieces. This is the piece that actually gives you the ability to have direct drink or straw in one lid.
Every drop feels so right. CocoSmile, stay in night.
And then here's some of the buttons, the famous buttons that we have on the cups. You push it on there to open the lid. Here's the cap. This is where assembly is. Assembly line. Once all of these pieces are put together, they actually put all the cup pieces. Watch. This is how she's putting on the handle. And then they put the different packets and the barcode on the cups to keep it fresh. Quality control. This is a new summer cup, ready to use. Direct drink straw, or you can drink straight here, direct.
Laugh and dance with every sip.
Now they're finishing up production and putting it in the bag, and then the box came. The box is open. That's ready for production. Put it back in there. Back there. And then she puts it right in the box. The box. Oh, straw. And these are the nice straws that go in with the boxes, so you can drink out of the summer cup.
Sipping style with CocoSmile.
This is the labels. This is all the labels, production labels, everything they put on the packaging to send it out, scan it, even the manuals.
CocoSmiles never stop. Sip, sip with a
There's the
smile.
manuals
Coco makes it work.
for the different type of bottles. And then we have a new CocoSmile new bag.
So right. CocoSmiles day and night.
Perfect. So here at CocoSmile, we produce new summer cups, style, high quality BPA-free cups. Clean facility. Look, they have shoes, protection. They do a lot of different quality checks, and they actually put it in a test facility. They test the durability, the quality, and they drop it, everything. Perfect.
Sip and style with CocoSmile. Take a sip until the last drop.